Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make music like Joy Division. To begin, focus on a minimalist approach with sparse instrumentation, allowing each part to breathe. The bass line is often the melodic anchor, so make it prominent and driving. For guitars, aim for a cold, distant tone, frequently using generous amounts of reverb and delay. Finally, the drumming should be stark and precise, with a powerful snare hit that cuts through the mix. These four elements form the core of the sound. When crafting your guitar sound, aim for a clean, trebly tone with minimal or no distortion. This clarity is crucial. Apply generous amounts of reverb and delay to create an expansive, almost cavernous atmosphere, giving the sound a sense of distance. Focus on playing simple, arpeggiated figures rather than complex chords, which helps maintain the minimalist aesthetic. Also, avoid excessive vibrato or bends. A more detached delivery contributes to the melancholic character of the music. The rhythmic foundation is paramount. For the bass, craft melodic and repetitive lines that often lead the song, acting as a counterpoint to the vocals. Aim for a bright, punchy bass tone, emphasizing the mid-range frequencies to ensure it cuts through. Drumming should be precise, powerful, and often sparse, serving the song's overall mood rather than being overly busy. Emphasize the snare drum and tom-toms to create impactful, driving rhythmic patterns that propel the music forward. For vocals, deliver them in a deep, monotone, and melancholic style, focusing on emotional weight rather than elaborate melodies. Record vocals with minimal effects, perhaps just a touch of reverb to give them some space without sounding overly processed. In terms of production, mix the instruments to create a spacious, almost cavernous soundscape, ensuring depth and atmosphere. Prioritize clarity and separation of each instrument in the final mix, allowing every element to contribute distinctly to the overall powerful sound.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.